Ever been curious about what valuable finds might be hiding just below the surface? A metal detector could be your perfect tool for uncovering everything from lost coins to historic relics, or even buried gold. But with so many choices out there, picking the right one can be a challenge. That's where we come in. We've sifted through the specs, tested features, and read countless reviews to bring you the top 5 metal detectors worth checking out. Whether you're just starting out or already a seasoned treasure hunter, there's a model here for you. Let's jump in and help you discover the perfect detector for your next adventure. Number 5. Garrett Ace Apex. The Garrett Ace Apex stands out as a solid, mid-range metal detector that blends user-friendly functionality with advanced capabilities. Whether you're a newcomer looking to step up your game, or a seasoned detectorist wanting more versatility, this machine delivers. It's packed with features typically found in higher-end models, like multi-frequency tech, yet keeps things simple enough for anyone to pick up and start using right away. It's a great fit for coin shooting, relic hunting, or jewelry detecting without breaking the bank. What really makes the Ace Apex shine is its multi-flex technology. This lets you choose from 5 kHz, 10 kHz, 15 kHz, 20 kHz, or a simultaneous multi-frequency mode, which is super helpful for tailoring your hunt to different soil types or targets. Weighing only 2.5 pounds, it's light enough for all-day use without fatigue. The large, backlit LCD screen offers clear readouts, and while the coil is water-resistant for wet terrain, you'll want to keep the control unit dry as it's not fully waterproof. While it doesn't quite match the depth of some single-frequency machines in multi-mode, and it's not ideal for underwater use, the Ace Apex still delivers exceptional value for its price. If you're after a well-rounded, capable detector without the premium price tag, this one's definitely worth a look. Number 4. Nokta Simplex Ultra. The Nokta Simplex Ultra stands out as a feature-rich metal detector that bridges the gap between beginner and intermediate levels, without the hefty price tag. It's a solid pick whether you're just getting started or need a dependable secondary unit for casual hunts. Designed with ease of use and versatility in mind, it performs well across a variety of terrains, including wet environments. Thanks to its waterproof construction and lightweight ergonomic design, this detector is both practical and comfortable for extended hunts. Plus, the wireless audio compatibility gives it an edge in user convenience. Another bonus is the detector's backlit screen and keypad, which make nighttime or low-light hunting much easier. A built-in rechargeable battery powers the device for up to 12 hours, giving you plenty of time to explore without needing constant recharges. There are a few trade-offs to consider. The detector doesn't offer a wide variety of coil options, which limits customization for more advanced users. It can also be a bit sensitive to EMI electromagnetic interference, which might require minor setting tweaks depending on your location. And while its recovery speed is respectable, it's not quite as fast as some higher-end models. Still, for the price and all the included features, the Simplex Ultra remains one of the best bang-for-your-buck metal detectors available. Number 3. Garrett Ace 300. The Garrett Ace 300 is a top pick for beginners looking to dive into metal detecting without breaking the bank. It combines simplicity, affordability, and dependable performance into one easy-to-use package. Built with new detectorists in mind, the Ace 300 is straightforward to operate, yet powerful enough to uncover coins, relics, and jewelry with solid accuracy. It strips away the complexity of advanced detectors while still delivering enough features to keep your hunts exciting and effective. A highlight of the Ace 300 is its digital target ID, which assigns a numeric value to detected objects, helping you better identify what's buried below. This makes it easier to separate trash from treasures, especially when paired with its enhanced iron discrimination system. The 7-inch by 10-inch Proformance search coil offers decent depth and wide coverage, making it easier to sweep larger areas quickly. And if you're planning to detect on saltwater beaches, interference might affect its accuracy. Still, For casual users or those just starting out, the Garrett Ace 300 delivers great value, reliable finds, and a smooth learning curve, making it one of the best beginner detectors on the market. Number 2. Minelab Equinox 800. The Minelab Equinox 800 stands out as a powerhouse metal detector, crafted for dedicated treasure hunters who need precision, adaptability, and deep target detection. Whether you're after old coins, historical relics, modern jewelry, or even elusive gold nuggets, this machine delivers outstanding performance across all types of terrain. Its fully submersible build allows you to detect underwater up to 10 feet, 3 meters, making it ideal for beachcombing, riverbanks, or shallow water exploration. At the heart of its capability is the multi-IQ tech, which runs several frequencies at once to pick up targets other detectors might miss. You get 4 core search modes: park, field, beach, and gold, each tailored to different ground conditions and target types. Adjustable ground balance makes it easy to hunt in mineralized soil or hot rock areas without sacrificing performance. The fast recovery speed ensures you won't miss valuable targets hiding near junk or closely spaced objects. That said, the Equinox 800 isn't without drawbacks. Its premium price might be a barrier for newcomers, and its advanced feature set comes with a learning curve that could be overwhelming to casual users. It's also a bit heavier than some entry-level models, which might be a factor on long hunts. Still, if you're a serious detectorist looking for unmatched performance and flexibility, the Minelab Equinox 800 is easily one of the top choices available. Number 1. Minelab Vanquish 440. The Minelab Vanquish 440 stands out as a top-tier choice in the mid-range metal detector category, blending impressive performance with a budget-friendly price tag. Thanks to its innovative multi-IQ technology, this model scans multiple frequencies at once, increasing the chances of detecting various types of metals with high precision. Whether you're exploring parklands, open fields, or coastal areas, the Vanquish 440 adapts well to a range of terrains and environments. A key highlight of the Vanquish 440 is its multi-IQ feature, which delivers enhanced target separation, greater detection depth, and better sensitivity overall. Weighing in at only 2.6 pounds, it's lightweight enough for extended use without discomfort. The detector includes 4 distinct search modes: coins, jewelry, relics, and a custom setting, giving users the ability to tailor their hunts to specific targets. While the search coil is water-resistant for use in moist or shallow conditions, the main control unit is not designed for full submersion. Although the Vanquish 440 delivers on many fronts, it does have a few drawbacks. The control unit isn't waterproof, so it's not suitable for underwater detecting. Also, it doesn't come with wireless headphones, and the ground balancing options are somewhat limited. Still, considering its features, ease of use, and value for money, the Minelab Vanquish 440 continues to be one of the best mid-range metal detectors on the market today. Here it is, our roundup of the 5 best metal detectors for all experience levels. No matter if you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something here that fits your needs. Good luck out there, and happy detecting! Drop your favorite in the comments, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more.